Alright, hot off the heels of my KWC piercing valve video, today we're looking at this is the Smith & Wesson Sigma 40F extended magazine. This is the 2004 edition. Anyway, magazine coming up in just a moment. Here it is. I don't believe they changed versions of this magazine ever, except for maybe the Game Face and Mayhem one. These use the V1-esque metal, I'm not sure what these things are called. Anyway, just get this guy out. I'm going to show you how to get the piercing valve out today, as it says on the video. So, you're going to look in there, okay, and see that it has a valve just like the V1 Mini Uzi magazine. Now, an important step before you try to do this is to make sure that all the gas is out. Otherwise, you might run into trouble getting the valve out. See, just like that. Even though there wasn't CO2 in there, still had some CO2 in there. So let me show you how to get this guy out. You're just going to need a flathead. Make sure it's the appropriate size. And what you're going to do is turn it this way to loosen it. Okay? This way will loosen it. So let me just go ahead, get that valve out. I've got a flathead. This is what I'm using. Alright, let me go ahead and get that out for you, and then I'm going to show you the components of this magazine. Make sure you don't damage that piercing valve. Alright, otherwise you're going to regret it. Okay, once you get that thing started, it's going to come out really easy. And then at that point, all you're going to have to do is just dump it out like that. Okay, so just like the V1 Mini Uzi, here is the there we go. Here's the Smith & Wesson 40F magazine. The only seal I can appear to see is the cup seal for the piercing valve. Sorry, I do not know where to find replacement ones for that. I don't know anything about that guy other than mine still works. So there does not appear to be any O-rings on this guy. And that's how it looks. Make sure you cover the threads in silicone oil before you put them back in. That way it'll be easier to thread back in. You won't run the risk of damaging the valve's grooves here. Okay, so just throw that back in. And then I'll show you after I get this guy back in that it still holds CO2. I've already performed this operation. Okay, while you're putting it back in, you want to make sure that you are turning it righty-tighty. This one's righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Okay, and once you get it into place, you're not going to have much room to torque it. It's basically just going to tighten up, and then that'll be it. You won't be able to tighten it much further, but remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, and then at that point, you're all done. So let me go ahead and show you that this magazine still holds gas. And indeed, there are no leaks. So that's how you do it. I'm sorry that I couldn't identify any of the O-ring components or that sort of piercing valve seal that we saw earlier, but if you have any questions, let me know, and I will do my best to help you out. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you out.